Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Mt4 installed, account logged in, and the EA file copied to MQL4/experts. Once done, restart Mt4 so the platform recognizes the new expert advisor. Make sure you also drop any custom indicators into MQL4/indicators if the bot depends on them. Next, open the EA properties on the chart and enable Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports. This lets the bot execute orders and use external libraries. Without those permissions, it won't. Once the EA is attached to the correct symbol and time frame, you configure its inputs to match your risk profile. You decide risk percent, lot sizing method, stop loss, take profit, and maximum concurrent trades. These control how the bot manages exposure. Then you run a backtest in the strategy tester using clean historical ticks so you can validate behavior, make incremental parameter changes, and retest rather than sweeping extremes. Also check broker specifics like spread and swap, because slippage and costs affect results. You move to live trading only after consistent demo results. Start on demo and observe the equity curve, trade history, and the experts tab for messages. If the EA misbehaves, check the journal for error codes, confirm server time sync, and verify symbol suffixes or account type mismatches. These common issues stop order execution. Once fixed, enable risk controls like a hard max drawdown stop and daily trade limits. Finally, make sure you monitor performance regularly and pause trading if unexpected behavior appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.